Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I am going to do a bloom blowing out with my hair dryer. And I'm going to try and get some negative space. And I'm using my Meeden paints today. My mixture is in the description under my video for my pouring medium that I mix in with my paints. This is house paint, Glidden Premium. My colors are, I have a deep green by Meeden, which is this one here. I have cerulean blue. This is my opaque one. I have pale green, deep gold, and no silver. I also have this little piggy pigment, so I think I'll put this one down first. This one's opaque. Debating whether I should put this one on the top. I will put that one on the top. I'm going to try it anyway. So that's the cerulean blue. I have gold. I'm going to use the green, pale green next. And I'm going to use some gold. This is deep gold. Add a little more water. I like it so that when it runs off my spoon or my stick, it disappears in like 2 seconds. I have Pinot Gris, which is this little piggy pigment. It turns like a greeny color. I'm going to put this dark green, but I'm not putting a lot, so I don't want it to turn out too dark. I'm just going to drizzle it on the top. I'm going to use white and black cell activator. Give them a really good shake before I use them. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. Oh. These are cool. Not a lot over here, but maybe a little more cell activator. Wasn't enough here to blow over. It's tricky to get it even. I hope to have some negative space. I can leave some of this on. The middle's closing in. think we're almost ready to spin. Got some nice gold here. All right. Push it that way, and that way more will come off here. Just a little bit more there. Well, I'm not getting a lot of negative space. I'm getting some. Either need a little less paint or bigger canvas. Let's see if we can spin it a bit more. I love the colors together. The blue and the gold, the green, it's very pretty. The Pinot Gris. Not sure where that went. A little bit there. It's all blended in. Even my white cells came out nice. The top's pretty much done. I want to make sure the middle's not moving. It's pretty good, a little bit. I'm gonna have to move it back. It looks very dark in the camera, but it's a lot lighter, trust me. Okay, I think that's done. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. So very pretty. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody. Here's my dried canvas. It's 8 by 8. Dried really, really nice. Look at those pretty cells. The gold came through. It's got a nice shine to it. Okay, have a great day, everybody, and thanks for watching my videos.